There is a massive secret quietly sitting inside Apple's warehouses right now, and it is far more important than most people realize. It strongly suggests that a brand new Apple TV is not months away, but potentially just days or weeks from officially launching. While the tech world is completely distracted by the constant flood of iPhone leaks and Mac updates, something much bigger is happening behind the scenes. According to trusted insider Mark Gurman, Apple stores across the globe are running out of stock of both the Apple TV and the HomePod mini at the same time. That kind of coordinated shortage is not random, and it is not caused by supply chain issues. If you stop and think about it, the current Apple TV is powered by an A15 chip, which uses older and widely available components. These are not the cutting-edge chips that are currently in short supply due to the global AI boom. There is no real reason for Apple to struggle with manufacturing these units unless the company has deliberately stopped production. That is exactly what seems to be happening. Apple appears to be clearing out old inventory on purpose, making room for something new that is already finished and waiting. What makes this situation even more interesting is the claim that the new models are already fully built. They are packaged, boxed, and sitting in warehouses, simply waiting for the official signal to ship. That signal is likely tied to a very specific deadline, and that deadline is fast approaching. With WWDC 2026 scheduled for June 8th, Apple cannot afford to delay any longer. The company has a major reason to act quickly, and that reason is its next generation of AI features. Apple's initial push into artificial intelligence was not as smooth as expected, and the company is now under pressure to correct that. The goal is to unify its entire ecosystem with a much more powerful and intelligent version of Siri. But there is a serious problem with the current Apple TV hardware. The A15 chip simply does not have the capability to handle advanced AI features locally. Apple Intelligence requires at least an A17 Pro chip or an M1 class processor to function properly. If Apple were to announce a new AI-powered tvOS while its flagship streaming box could not support those features, it would create a major disconnect in the ecosystem. This is why timing is everything. Developers need access to the new hardware before WWDC so they can optimize their apps and ensure compatibility with upcoming AI features. That makes an April or May release not just likely, but almost unavoidable. Apple needs to get these devices into people's hands before taking the stage to showcase the future of its platform. The upcoming Apple TV is expected to receive a massive upgrade in processing power, with strong indications pointing toward the A17 Pro chip. This is a huge leap forward. The chip features a powerful CPU, an advanced GPU, and a dedicated neural engine designed specifically for AI tasks. Combined with a rumored 8 GB of RAM, this device will be significantly more capable than anything Apple has previously released for the living room. Tasks that once required cloud processing will now happen instantly on the device itself, dramatically improving speed and privacy. This upgrade also opens the door to something entirely new for Apple's TV platform: true console-quality gaming. Games that were once limited to high-end hardware are already running on A17 Pro-powered devices, and bringing that same experience to a 4K television changes everything. With technologies like MetalFX upscaling, the Apple TV could deliver impressive visuals while maintaining smooth performance. This effectively transforms the device into a casual gaming console, removing the need for a separate system for many users. Beyond gaming, Apple appears to be focusing heavily on improving the home theater experience. Rumors suggest the addition of HDMI pass-through and support for advanced, uncompressed Dolby audio formats. These upgrades would finally bring the Apple TV in line with high-end audio and video standards that enthusiasts have been asking for. It signals that Apple is taking its role in the living room more seriously than ever before. The design may also receive a long-overdue refresh. The glossy black plastic look has started to feel outdated, and Apple is likely to move toward a more premium aesthetic. A matte aluminum finish, possibly in silver or black, would better align with the company's current design language seen in its Mac lineup. This would make the Apple TV feel less like an accessory and more like a core piece of premium hardware. Surprisingly, despite all these improvements, the pricing is expected to remain relatively unchanged. The standard model could still start around $130, with a slightly higher price for versions that include Ethernet and additional connectivity features. This makes the value proposition extremely compelling, especially when considering the device's expanded capabilities. What makes this release particularly important is how it fits into Apple's broader strategy. The Apple TV is no longer just a streaming box. It is evolving into the central hub of the smart home. With the power of the A17 Pro chip, it can process commands locally, eliminating delays caused by cloud-based systems. This results in faster responses, improved privacy, and a more seamless user experience. The impact extends to developers as well. With significantly more powerful hardware as the baseline, app creators can start building more advanced and ambitious experiences for the big screen. This could include productivity tools, creative applications, and entirely new categories of software that were previously not possible on a TV platform. Competition in this space has traditionally focused on low-cost streaming devices, but those products often come with compromises such as slow performance, intrusive ads, and limited privacy protections. Apple is clearly positioning its new Apple TV as a premium alternative that delivers a cleaner, faster, and more secure experience. When you combine streaming, gaming, and smart home control into a single device, the overall value becomes much easier to justify. This move also puts pressure on traditional console makers. While the Apple TV may not replace high-end gaming systems entirely, it offers a level of convenience and accessibility that appeals to a wide audience. For many people, being able to play high-quality games without investing in a dedicated console is a major advantage. Looking ahead, the longevity of this device could be one of its strongest selling points. With such a powerful chip inside, it is likely to remain relevant for many years, making it a long-term investment rather than a short-term upgrade. It also ensures that Apple's ecosystem remains consistent and future-ready across all devices. All signs point to an imminent launch. The empty shelves, the insider reports, and the timing with WWDC all align perfectly. Apple is preparing to redefine what a television device can do, and this new Apple TV appears to be at the center of that transformation. The shift from a simple smart TV experience to a fully intelligent home system is already underway, and this device is poised to become the heart of it all.